Good morning from your National Weather Service forecast office in Fort Worth. Here's an updated forecast briefing on the rainfall and the heavy rain threat coming in on Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Getting right to the forecast, it looks like we are going to see an increase in the chances for rain. That's not only going to start today relatively light, but for the most part we're going to be able to see a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms really starting to come back into play afternoon tomorrow through about midnight. After that, we're going to see a little bit of a break, but then the cold front is going to enter North Texas, and that's going to be a little after midnight on Thursday and early on Friday. And that means that's going to increase our chances for rain, and it's going to bring in some colder temperatures out there. Temperatures are going to be relatively warm, at least compared to freezing, so we are looking at some off and on rain. Some of it's going to be fairly heavy at times, especially when it comes to the noon to midnight, Friday to around Saturday night and Sunday. So widespread heavy rain is really going to be coming into the play after noontime on Friday. And then we're also going to see our bigger chance for some showers, some thunderstorms all the way through, with our highest risk for flooding actually coming between midnight, Friday night into Saturday morning till around Saturday at midnight and Sunday morning. Now, just how much are we talking about? Well, this is a 4 or 5 day forecast here, so don't get too caught up on the exact numbers here, but we are looking for some pretty good rainfall as far as north of Interstate 20, and that's going to be in this red area here. This includes the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. It also includes Gainesville, Sherman, Denison, all the way over to the Paris area. This is going to be the area where we're going to see at least 5 to 7 inches of rain over a 4 or 5 day period. So we're talking about an inch of rain or so for each day. The bulk of the rain is going to be on late Sunday and also through Saturday. So that's the main thing to notice here. Most of your Thanksgiving is not going to be a washout. However, we are going to see just an increasing chances for some rain and some heavier rain. That's going to be late Thursday, Friday, and then again on Saturday. So for anything that might be outdoors on Friday, probably going to be on the wet side of things. As far as the forecast itself, the widespread rain expected, that's going to be Thursday through Sunday. The soils are wet. That increases our runoff. And once again, the heavy rain is really not going to last the entire time, but it is going to be something to kind of watch out for. Localized flash flooding is going to be one of the impacts that we're looking for. Urbanized water drainage, those construction areas that never seem to really get rid of the rainfall. Also some smaller creeks, some things like that. We are going to be watching the Trinity River, the Red River, especially east of Lake Texoma, the Sulphur, and the Sabine River basins, as we might get into some minor and moderate flooding there. And got travel plans? Well, it's going to take you a little longer to get where you're going, either by car or by anything else, because we are going to have some heavy rain across the area. And a few areas going to see some lightning, but this is more going to be rain instead of just off and on thunderstorms throughout the next 4 or 5 days or so. Now, once again, our heaviest concern for heaviest rainfall is going to be north of Interstate 20 and along and east of I-35, 35 west. Generally this area in the red that you can see. And all of North Texas and Central Texas will have some threat for excessive rainfall. So we're looking for very widespread rain, and it's going to add up over the next 3 or 4 days. Greatest confidence in heavy rainfall, however, once again, late Thursday, that's late Thanksgiving Day and night, and that's going to last through Saturday in several rounds of rain. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening as well. If you have any feedback on this or anything else that we do at the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Dallas-Fort Worth, please let us know. Send us an email at sr-fwd.webmaster@noaa.gov. And above all else, have a happy and safe Thanksgiving.